Hi, Julian here from PopcornFX. In version 2.8.4, so in patch 2.8.4, we fixed two bugs that might cause some effects to change behavior. Most notably, if you reused the DrawNumber template we provide with two effects in the tutorials package, you will see changes in behavior. So the counter and timer effects, and maybe also another one, yeah, the numeric display one, and the C-intersect. They will all suffer from those bug fixes, and when you open them, you will see that they don't display the first digit. So here it will only start displaying something when the count reaches 10. Yes. And same thing for the timer. Here you see that the first digit isn't displayed. So this isn't a new problem in 2.8.4. It's actually those two bug fixes I mentioned that revealed an issue with the script of the DrawNumber templates. So I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this in case you cloned that template into some of your own effects. So here, if you open any of the draw screen digit nodes and you open this script, here at the very bottom there is this check here, a strictly lower than check. Just replace that by lower or equal to, and it fixes the issue. So you can do that in all the places where you cloned the DrawNumber template, and it should fix it. For instance, here, same thing, lower or equal, and it fixes the effect. So we'll release updated versions of the tutorials and samples packages for 2.8.4 with this fix in. But if you grabbed it before 2.8.4, then you'll need to apply that fix. And the two bug fixes that reveal this are this one, and also, yeah, well, the one just after those two first ones. So if you observe behavior changes in some of your own effects, it might also be caused by this, so don't hesitate to poke us on the Discord or on your support tracker if you experience some behavioral changes in your effects after upgrading to 2.8.4. But these were pretty serious bugs, so you should upgrade, really. Thanks.